Welcome to the JJV tutorials. Today we can discuss about of NCERT class 10th electricity exercise questions. In this sixth problem we can study today. So question is, a copper wire has diameter 0.5 millimeter and resistivity of 1.6 into 10 power minus 8 ohm meter. What will be the length of this wire to make its resistance 10 ohm? How much does the resistance change if the diameter is doubled? Here students, a copper wire has diameter is 0.5 millimeter. So here diameter is given 0.5 millimeter and resistivity is given is 1.6 into 10 power minus 8 ohm meter. Then what will be the length? Means we have to find out length. Here clearly you know that resistance depends upon on its length, area of cross section, nature of material. Then you know this formula R equals to rho L by A. Here already is given data, D is given 0.5. Here is given with millimeter, means 10 power minus 3 meter. It's converted into meter. This point shifted to this right side. Here point is increases here 5 into 10 power minus 4 meter. Then resistance is how much is given. So in question resistance is given 10 ohm. Then resistivity 1.6 into 10 power minus 8 ohm meter. So in question clearly is given, you have to find out length. So L is equal to question mark. Now see the formula, R is equal to rho L by A. Now we can need it calculate by L, means rearrange the formula. R into A, you can cross multiplied in the denominator, it comes to the numerator. Here rho is in numerator, it equals cross means in denominator. Then you can easily calculate it by the L value. But here you can observe by the students, A value is not given. Then you know the formula, area of circle formula, pi r square. Then you know that pi value is equal to constant 3.142, or you can take 22 by 7, your wish. Then here d by 2 means is here given question with the diameter means radius, you can get double. Then you can calculate by, now diameter is given means you can calculate it r. So here d by 2 whole square, so I did here square. D by 2 means radius, I did here square with square as it is written. Then d square, then 2 2s are 4 will get. Then a means what you can write, pi d square divided by 4. Instead of this a, you can write this pi d square by 4. Now I rearrange this formula. So a r as it is, then a means what, pi d square, rho into this 4 is equal to L. Then substitute the values here, 10 into 3.142. Then see here pi value, this is d value is equal to diameter is how much is there, 5 into 10 power minus 4. I substituted here. Then resistivity 1.6 into 10 power minus 8 and multiplied with the 4. Now I simplified here, 2 2s are 4, then 2 5s are 10. Then here left 5 and 3.142. Then 5 square means how much will get, 25 into 4 2s are 8, 10 power minus 8. Here also down also as it is you written here. So 10 power minus 8, 10 power minus 8 cancel, will get here. See here 5 into 25 is there multiplied, 125 multiplied by 3.142 divided by 1.62, so will get 3.2. Now this 2 we can multiply, means will get here 392.75 divided by 3.2. Now we can multiply the decimal. Here 3.2 is there, we can multiply the 10. So the here will get here 3927.5 divided by 32. Then we'll get the L value is equal to 122.73 meter. Then we'll get the length is how much is there, 122.73 meter. Then we'll get the resistance is how much is there, 10 ohm resistance. This is the first case, but you can observe in the second question continuation is there. How much does the resistance change if the diameter is doubled? In the second condition is given, how much does the resistance change diameter is doubled? In case here diameter is given 0.5, in this diameter is doubled means how much resistance will affected? But here is clearly no calculated L value is equal to 122.73. in this length how much resistance is there, we have to calculate by the second case. So here d is doubled means here 0.5 0.5, how much will get here? 1 into 10 power minus 3, then n value now only calculate 122.73 meter, resistivity is given, then r value. Now here d is doubled means here same formula what you written, r is equal to rho into L by A, then resistivity values you write, L value will write, then pi A value means first one I said pi d square by 4, I written here pi and d value, then I multiplied by the numerator. Next step will come, one step I skipped here, directly I written there 4, then here 10 power minus 8 and 10 power minus 6, this minus 6 comes numerator means subtract will come, 8 minus 6 means will get here 2, then constant I written outside. Then here 1.6 into 4 you multiplied, then we will get here 122.73, this one as it is you write, then here we will get 3.142. Now we can divide, see here this 3.142 means is a decimal, it can completed number means you can multiply it by 1000. So here in numerator 1.6 into 4 means 6.4 multiplied by 122.73, this two you can multiply, will get 785.472. so multiplied by 1000 by multiplied means here decimal is there, I can complete means we'll get to complete this point, we'll get 3142. then we'll get division, we can make with the division, so here I did this division, so we'll get here 249.99, 249.99. so here almost near this value to 250, 249.99 means what, nearby 250. then here 10 power minus 2 as it is I kept. Now we can observe, now point have to shift, now this point shifted to left side 2 times, then you can 10 power minus 2 will be cancelled, then we write point shifted means here 0, 5 point shifted to here means our resistance value will get here 2.5 ohm. So here 0.5 is doubled means here diameter 122.73 means what is the resistance will get here, 2.5 ohm will be get, that's it.